Today's video is going to be all about our July Boxycharm. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Savannah Liddell, and if you're returning, then welcome back. So this is my second Boxycharm that I've gotten. I didn't post about the first one just because I got it late and I waited too long, and I was just like, whatever. So I did post it on my IGTV if you guys want to take a look, and follow me on Instagram, and you know, subscribe if you're not subscribed, or you can wait and see if you'll like me and then subscribe later. I've already opened this, I'm not gonna lie, I've already seen everything in here because I tried to film this video before and then it just was like an epic fail. I'm actually gonna get to play with the box. I'm gonna get to see what goodies are in this Boxycharm box, and I'm actually going to use them on camera so that way you guys can get a feel for them. And yeah, let's just dig straight into it because I will start talking and talking and talking. Who's texting me? Stop. Leave me alone. So you get a little card and this says life of the party. Hey, hey. So it tells you just a list of everything that you get in the Boxycharm. And it says that this box was curated by Laura Lee. So Laura Lee is a YouTuber, and she actually just, I don't know how long she's had her own cosmetic line, but I think it's fairly new. So yeah, she curated this box and one of her products is in here, so we'll get to dig in and see what that is. And you also get some coupons in the back. So there's a 25% off Laura Lee Cosmetics, or Laura Lee Los Angeles, I'm sorry. And then a 20% off for Smashbox. So pretty cool. You know, this is what it looks like. All the goodies are in here. The first thing that we got was a Becca primer. This is the Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector, which I've used this before, so it's not new to me, but it gives you 0.4 ounces of it, so it's like a little mini version, I think. Is it? I don't think this is the full version, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think this is just like a little mini version, but with primer you really don't need to use a lot. So I've used this before, so it's not really a surprise, but if you haven't used this, then I think this will be really cool, especially if you have oily skin. If you don't really have oily skin, I don't think you're gonna like this because this does make your skin pretty matte. The next thing that I see is NC LA Los Angeles treatment that's called So Rich. It's a vitamin E infused cuticle oil. So I'm probably not going to show this on camera because I mean it's just a cuticle oil. It comes in the form of a little dropper. So you get a little dropper and you just drop it on your cuticles. And yeah, so that's cool. I like nails. I like taking care of my nails, so I will use that. The next thing I got is from Bang Beauty. I have never heard of this brand before. This is, I think it's, if I remember last time, I think this is a gel eyeliner. Let's open it up. So yeah, this is a gel eyeliner. It is in the shade Chocolate. So it's just like a brown gel eyeliner. I actually don't have a brown gel eyeliner, so I can use this and add this in my collection. Although if you're not new to my channel, you know that I really rarely do I ever put on eyeliner. I just feel like I don't look the best with eyeliner. I feel like it just makes me look kind of old, if that makes sense. And I like to look young and youthful and hydrated, and I don't know. But for certain looks, I would wear this because certain looks do call for a wing. But that's just not really my thing. Haha. You see what I did there? Okay, next thing I got was from Smashbox. This is a lip product. It's called Be Legendary Liquid Metal. So, what's the name called? It's called Petal Metal. So I'm going to open it up. It's kind of like a rose gold shade. Yeah, it's like a rose gold. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. I hope it is. But this is what it looks like. I don't know. When I saw this, because this is not my first time seeing these products, but when I saw this, I wasn't that in awe, just because I was like, how would I wear this on my lips? Like, would that actually look right on my lips? I don't know. Okay, the next thing I got was from Laura Los Angeles. So this is a eyeshadow palette. It's called Party Animal, and let's open it up. It's really cute. It's really fun, bright colors. You get 6 different you get 6 different shades. So, and they have the names on them, which I love. So this one's called It's a Party, Damage Control, Karaoke, Drinks, okay, Bottoms Up, and Hungover. So this is really a party animal palette. And it's really cute. So this is like travel friendly, and then it has a cute little mirror. And then the last thing that I got was these Wonder Beauty baggage claim gold eye mask. So I got 3 of them. I used one of them when I was gonna shoot my first video. So yeah, but it comes with 3, and they're just these little under eye masks. They're supposed to help like hydrate and help with dark circles and things like that. So I will actually use this on camera. This is what I'm going to start off with because that's everything that we got in our Boxycharm. It comes in between 2 little plastic circles, and it's like very, very saturated with the serum circles, and it's like a gold side. Looks like it wants you to flip it, so I guess you use it on one side and then leave it on for like 10-15 minutes, flip it on the other side, do the same thing, and then take them off, and then just you can pack the extra like serum that's left on into your skin and then go on about your normal routine. This is new hair. My mom is trying to learn how to crochet. I mean, she can do it, but she's trying to learn how to perfect it. So I'm like her little guinea pig, and I get to get my hair done for free. So it's kind of cool. It's a win-win situation. And I'm actually about to be going on vacation to LA. This is my only vacation I'm taking this year, so I call it a vacation. So yeah, I'm going with some of my really close friends that I studied abroad with in college. We've stayed in touch and stayed like connected since then. Like we don't see each other all the time, but like we definitely a couple times out of the year like make it an effort to get together, like all 4 of us. So that'll be exciting. I'll just start doing the rest of my makeup. And I won't make you guys watch this because this is all about the Boxycharm. So I'm only going to focus on the products that come in there. The rest of the stuff, I'll do it. I'll link all the products down below. So yeah, I'll see you guys back in about 20 minutes, okay? Peace.
2,000 years later.
So I've turned my little iPads to the other side. It's been about 10 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and take these babies off. I'm just going to pat the rest of this in. You're supposed to do it with your ring finger, but I just use my middle fingers. I know, I'm weird. I don't know, I just like it better. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Becca Evermatte Poreless Primer. And again, this is not new for me, but just going to use it today if I can open it. My hands are greasy from my moisturizer. Come on, guy. So one thing I've found with this product is a little goes a long way, and sometimes if it's mixed with the wrong product, it can flake up, because sometimes I would have that happen with, I think, a certain moisturizer I was using. It just didn't react well with this, and it would like flake up on my skin, which was like really annoying. So I'm hoping it doesn't do that, but I just put like a little tiny pea-sized amount. And I'm just going to really focus it on those areas that I do get oily in. So it's like pretty much my T-zone. Is it doing it? It's doing it a little bit, like where it flakes up on me, which is annoying, but that's why I'm just trying to really pat it in. I'm going to zoom through the rest of my routine. I'm probably actually going to do it here off camera. So then I'm going to come back and we're going to jump into the rest of the Boxycharm. We're going to kick it back up with the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. So let me do all my stuff and then I'll come right back and we'll just start, you know, getting back into it. Okay. I've decided that I want to do a blue smoky eye. So I'm not going to use all the colors in the palette, but I think I'm going to be using this top row. I'm also going to use another palette. It's from Crown. This is a brand I had never heard of before. I got this in my last Boxycharm, and it just has a lot of just neutral, nice transition shades. So I'm going to probably use this with the palette. Use this like brown shade down here. I'm going to put it in my crease. And oops, I'm going to put it in my crease plus the outer V of my eye and just kind of get a base color down, basically. Just gonna go into Karaoke right here, this like electric blue shade. Place it on my eye. Okay. Very pigmented so far. Wow. So far I am loving this. This is so pigmented, like pigment is amazing. The color is beautiful. And I think I'm gonna dip into Drinks and I'm gonna kind of put it in the crease. See what that looks like. So on me, it's not showing up like that bright. It's just kind of coming off as like a orange, like that burnt orange transition type of shade on my skin tone. But I'm sure if you're lighter, it will stand out a little bit more. I really want to add like a dash of black on the outer V of my eye, like just a tiny bit. So I'm just going to dig into my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. This is like the old one. And I'm just going to use this like matte black shade right here. Just going to like just a slight dip, nothing crazy, and just kind of smoke it out a little bit on the outer part of the eye. I think I'm going to put this green, like this bright green shade in the inner corner and see what that looks like. Show it up a little bit. For my lower lash line, I'm going to try going into Damage Control and seeing how that looks. Okay, I'm going to step off camera, do my other eye, and then we'll come back. Okay, so I'm back, and I did my other eye. I don't know if I really like this look, but whatever. I use this eyeliner from Bang Beauty. I'm just going to do a little wing liner with it. Start in the middle. I don't like this, guys. I'm not gonna use this. I'm not even gonna lie. I do not like this. Really don't like this look. I absolutely hate it, but whatever. So moving along, I think the last thing I have to use is a Smashbox lip color. This is the Be Legendary Liquid Metal, and this is in the shade Petal Metal. So I know I'm pretty sure it's not going to look right with this look, but I don't really care. I'm just going to try it on for you guys, and I'm going to take this makeup off because I hate it. I didn't even put lashes on because I was like, I hate this. I'm not going to waste my time putting lashes on this. So let's try the lip products. Let's see. Okay. It might not be so bad. It feels really nice. I think this is a little too bright for me, but it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. For me, this is just a no. It doesn't feel bad. It feels really nice. Kind of feels like a soft cream on the lip, but for my skin tone, it's just going to be a no. So as you guys can see, I really don't like this look. Partly my fault, but whatever. Anywho, so just kind of reviewing the box. This box was okay. I didn't use this on camera. I didn't end up using this on camera just because it's a cuticle oil for your nails, and I just don't think y'all want to see me put this on my nails. But I don't see how you can really go wrong with this, so I'll try this and let y'all know. The thing I did like, I really loved the palette. Even though I didn't like the look I created, I can still play around with these. These are some fun colors that I don't have. I was kind of disappointed in this one because on my skin tone, it didn't really show up as much as I was hoping it would. But I feel like the rest are going to be good to go. And then the orange wasn't as pigmented as it is in the pan on my lid. But I think that's just because of my skin tone. As for this Bang Beauty gel eyeliner, I'm already not an eyeliner person, but this is gonna be a no for me. I don't even think I really liked the formula on it, and then the color, chocolate, like, it just didn't. I'm just never gonna use this. I also use these little under eye thingies, which, I mean, I guess with skincare you have to use it over time to see a difference, but I don't have any complaints about it. I'll try to use another one and see if I see a difference in anything, but yeah, no complaints on this. And on the Becca Ever Matte Primer, like I said, I've already tried this and I really don't care for it, to be completely honest. I know a lot of people like this, but for me, it still didn't control my shine. I still got shiny, I still get oily with this, and then I don't like the way it mixes with certain products, other products that I use, because then if I rub it in too much, it'll start flaking on my face. So it's just, I'll probably give this away to like a friend or something. The Smashbox Legendary Metal thingy, I don't really care for this. I'm not saying the formula or the brand is bad because I love Smashbox, but this shade for me personally, my skin tone, did not fit me. I wish I could have gotten something a little bit deeper so that I could wear it and enjoy it. This is my Boxycharm unboxing video, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it gave you guys some insight on Boxycharm. If you're thinking about signing up for this subscription, we'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.